Hello everybody, Dan Matichek here, Parrot Pilot, and it's raining outside pretty much all day, so I'm starting a new project here. I'm making a mud duck, and mud duck 2. I'm ready to cut out the pieces, but I'm doing it out of fan fold foam, because this is going to be an electric version. I figure it'll be a lot lighter in weight. I'm going to try to cut down on weight as much as I can. Even though it's a slow flower, a big slow flower, I want it to be light, of course. And I figure if I break apart, I can fix it pretty easy. So here we go. The pattern, I poked straight through the pattern into the foam, and I made a little black mark so it's easy to see. Cutting out the wing, so I'm making a big foam pattern because I'm doing 2 of these planes at one time. And these just for my pattern I marked off where the folds are in a couple of places, and I'm just poking through with a skewer down through to the next piece of foam, and using a marker to highlight it. Using 1/8" balsa sandwiched with a piece of blue foam for my elevator. I want to show you real quickly what I got done, and this is where I am now. And you have to excuse the mess. My dining room has become my fabrication room because my art studio downstairs is not big enough to accommodate these large pieces. But that's the fuselage I have sitting over there, and you can see the top here where the wing connects these balsa pieces. And the reason I'm showing you that is I'm going to show you the wing next. But this is my landing gear, and what I've done is I made it out of it's actually 3/16 I believe dowel rod, oak dowel rod, real high quality, and it's actually very strong. This is the suspension for it. The axle actually goes underneath and uses this for the rubber band for suspension, if you're not familiar with the ducks. Because I've made the plane lighter, using the fan fold foam and balsa like on the bottom carriage, and balsa supports inside the plane, I'm pretty sure that my landing gear is going to be strong enough. And then my wings, what I'm doing is, because I'm doing them out of blue foam, I'm concerned with them twisting. And it's not so much, I think it's this twisting would be a problem with these wings the way they're designed, being out of the blue foam. So what I'm doing is I put one, I don't know if you can see that, I put one dowel rod in the front, 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to run 2 more dowel rods. These are the pieces that line up to the braces on the fuselage, and you run a rod through. They're actually going to be through there, and then the other one's up in the front of the wing, down through a hole you make. And then I'm going to attach the dowel rods with CA securely to these pieces, and so the dowel rod will run underneath the ribs all the way across to the tip of the wing, and then the same thing over here. And then for my struts, rather than run like a V strut like the plans have out of balsa or basswood, I'm going to make them out of these 1/4-inch oak dowel rods that I got. I got some really nice quality dowel rods, and I'm going to instead of the hinges, I have this plastic tubing that slides right over the dowel rod, and I'm going to make a notch in the side of the tubing straight into the dowel rod, and use a little clip from a clothespin to like close into that when it's pushed into place, to lock it into place. And instead of the V, I'm going to make like an H, because I figure that'll stop it from twisting. But I'm going to attach it, my struts, to the top part of the landing gear, which is attached to the fuselage with this balsa, and there are supports going up through to the wing. So I'll basically have two struts coming off with a brace between them on the top and the bottom, and that way I'll have effectively a triangle, two triangles that are held together by the fuselage bracing, two braces on the struts themselves, and then right to the braces that go through between the ribs of the wings. So I think that's going to be probably my best bet for making it still lightweight but strong. So far this thing is amazingly light, so I'll get a weight as I get closer to being done and post it in the video. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm just working on the wings here, and thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please make them, either here on YouTube or on the forums, because I've posted on the two most popular RC forums. And if there's anyone out there that's built a full-size Mud Duck 2 out of the blue foam, let me know how it turned out for you, if it had any problems, and I'll do the same. Alright, thanks for watching. My parrots. They're all, hey! Hey! Woo! Take it easy.